guys, it's me. And then I'm gonna draw something and comment.
You didn't watch my ASMR.
I don't want to watch yours. So I'm gonna do mine and look at my that's what I'm drawing myself. So okay, bye. I'm gonna just draw first.
Bye. And do you see my ASMR? Do you see the plate?
No, I'm still drawing. I'm drawing myself.
Then no ASMR for you. Then no ASMR for you kasi you're just drawing.
Ooh, so many. The ASMR here is so good.
And you just watch until the end. Deserve. See it?
Ate Aya, I'm recording. How about you?
I am not because you're nodding. You see it? Bye. And you see it?
Yeah.
Mush, mush. Today, guys, we're going to make like rainbow ice cream. That's why it's ASMR. I have my cousin over here. Say hi, Evan.
Hi. Hi.
Guys, give her some likes. Give her some likes.
And guys, go to my cousin's channel. What is your channel? The name? Sorry guys, he doesn't have YouTube.
And you post this video on like YouTube.
Yeah, I'm gonna post it. Ate Aya, say hi.
Hi.
This is my ASMR vlog. I'm still sorry guys, English na kasi yung pinsan ko. Di ako makapag, Tagalog eh. Ate Aya, mag-Tagalog ko na lang kaya.
Yeah.
Kasi Tagalog yung mga viewers ko eh. Okay.
Ano mga tropa, Miyan, tayo ni MM mag-ASMR na yon.
Anong... Okay. Ate Aya's classmate, if you're watching this, please comment your name.
Yeah. Look at that rainbow ice cream. Oh, look at that. The twisting and turning. Look at it.
Ate Aya, do you know I recorded that what you said that you have a crush?
Ano?
Do you know I recorded that when you said your crush name? And then I posted on YouTube.
Oh my god, I was so embarrassed. Why did you do it?
I'm joking.
Okay, this is the last ice cream. And we're going to make a cherry now, mga tropa. Mga tropa, magagawa na tayo ng cherry para makatapos na yung ice cream. May mga sprinkles pa dyan, pero mamaya na yun. Kaya magkanta ko muna para hindi mo boring.
Ala, ba't ako kakanta?
Sorry ha. Sorry mga tropa. Cousin issues.
Aray!
Diba, M? Cousin
Yeah,
issues.
sorry.
M, diba? Cousin issues. No? Ayun. Pwede ka na makain ng ice cream, ha? And you want to try? And you want to try now?
Yeah.
I'm gonna remove the cherry because I'm scared it might mix. use the editing box. So, 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that tickle one. Look at that. There you go. Have you eat it? Eat it.
I eat it all.
Viewer, magkakain lang tayo. And block mo yung camera.
Hi guys, so ito na ako. Sorry pag may nag-bleed na ano kasi sa paper ko. Kasi kasi di ko magawa kasi yung marker na bleed sa likod. So sorry guys. Gumawa kasi ako ng sorry guys kung pangit. Comment down below kung anong think nyo.
And mag-shoutout muna ako.
Sige, shout out. Shout out.
Shoutout sa mga cousins dyan yung nakapanood.
Sabihin, okay, shout out muna din ako. Shout out sa mga kaklase ni Ate Aya.
Nandiyan ba yung cellphone ko, Anaya? Hindi po. Shoutout sa mga kaibigan ko dyan, si Emily, Amia, basta. Ngayon, magagawa tayo ng barbecue, guys. I'm excited ka na mag-barbecue.
Sige.
Ayan o, may barbecue sa lalim.
Magtanghulo na lang kayo. Tanghulo.
Ano, may barbecue sa lalim.
Tanghulo na lang tayo. Tanghulo.
Guys, ano gusto mong color sa onion?
Onion, malamang white.
Wala tayo white. May red, orange, yellow, blue, green.
Hindi white.
Walang white.
Red.
Yellow na lang. Yellow na lang.
Meron ka bang clothes sa white?
Wala.
Wala.
Pwede yellow na lang. No?
Sige, yellow.
Alam ko anong color ng mushrooms yun. Orange. Kasi malapit. Mas maganda yung color.
Red, orange. Rainbow na lang. Rainbow barbecue.
Uy, baka
Anaya! I need to find my cellphone.
Hindi ko alam.
Shout out.
Mga shout out. Shout out sa
Mami mo?
Opo. Pagka maingay, nag-ASMR po kami ni Ewen. Naka-live pa?
Oh, naka-live pa. Bakit?
Sorry ha. Sorry sa mga panood. Malaki kasi yung pamilya namin.
Malaki kasi yung pamilya nila Ate Aya. Sa mga classmates ko dyan, sa hindi nakakaalam, ito nga pala yung pinsan ko. Magkahiwalay nga pala kami sa Mindoro. Magkahiwalay kasi kami. Mindoro sa Manila, magkahiwalay kami. Kailangan ka kasi,
Pati, opposite tayo ng school. Ako private school, siya public.
oo nga, pero naguguluhan ako. Bakit parehas kami walang pasok ngayon? Kasi next week pa yung pasok natin. Tapos, sila next week din. Naguguluhan ako bakit parehas kami.
Oo.
Lubat na ang iPad. Lubat na daw yung iPad.
Mga viewers dyan, bye-bye muna.
Sige mga viewers, bye-bye!
Like and share for part 2 ha.
Bye!